making a cake, and I never thought of doing it, but some people are asking, how do you soak the fruit? So this is fruit, this is raisins and prunes. Right now I'm gonna add cherries, but the cherries are soft, so I don't put them in yet. So I put wine, as you can see over here. I love red label wine, of course, or Jamaican red label wine. So I put wine and fruit too. Depends on how much cake you're making. Just make sure like the wine is covering the fruit, and this is not covered. So I'm gonna make sure to pour in some more to cover the fruit. Don't turn it up too high. Just leave it at medium. Set your put it to medium. To start it, you could set it a little higher, but I like to put it medium because sometimes I'm busy doing things. So let's leave it here. We're gonna cover it. Instead of rum, or not necessarily instead, but you can also use brandy. If you find yourself without white rum, you could use brandy, but you can use both. I plan to use both. All right. My mother used to bake cake and use brandy and white rum, so I'm gonna do that in this case. I don't always do both of them, but in this case, I'm gonna use brandy also. And we're gonna leave it there for a little while to steam. I'll leave it on medium and let it steam for about 20 minutes to 25 minutes, and I'll leave it overnight. If you're in a rush, you could do it fast, like for 35-40 minutes, but then you have to think that it's also using up some of the wine that you're gonna need. So leave it, let it steep. Do it a couple days before if you have time, and let the fruit soak. All right. And then what we're going to do after everything is soaked for a little while is blend the fruit. No, I don't necessarily like fruit blended out. Most people do. And if you're one of them, you can comment below. I want to feel a couple pieces of fruit in my cake, So anyway, that is we'll go to the next step when this is steamed up, and I'll show you what the next thing I do. As I mentioned before, I'm gonna do a wedding cake, showing you could do a cake for your wedding if you're one of those people getting married and you have nobody to do your cake, or you don't want to spend all that money to do the cake. All right, so this is the first process in making the cake, and that is steaming the fruit. That's what we're doing. This is just how to steam your fruit. Right? I don't put rum in it at this point because rum evaporates. Alright? Okay. So follow along and watch the process as I'm gonna bake a cake and I'm gonna decorate it. I'm trying to do a 3-tier cake, but some of it might not be real cake, okay? Because I don't have anybody to eat all this cake when I make it. So I'm gonna show you how you can do your cake without making a whole lot of cake and whatever. We'll see how it works out. All right. The fruits are steamed, and I'm grinding them up in the food processor. But I just want to say, when I was in Jamaica baking cakes, or when my mother baked cakes, we never steamed fruit. Come October, November, you have to get fruit and soak it. So we started soaking, some people say 6 months. Anyway, you have to get them soft, okay? Alright, so we steam the fruit, and as I said before, I like large, we only cut up the prune, we never cut up raisins. So I like to have raisins, as I mentioned, in my large raisins. So some of it I cut up, some I didn't, and so this is how we do it, and it's the first part of making a rum fruit cake. So this is just preparing the fruit and showing you what I do. I thank you for watching my videos. Look out for part 2 in making the cake.